If you've spent even a little time on TikTok, you've probably seen videos labeled POV, but what exactly does that mean? On TikTok, POV stands for point of view, and it's a style of video where the creator places the viewer inside a scenario as if you are part of the story. Instead of just watching something happen, POV videos make you feel like you're experiencing it firsthand. This format has become incredibly popular because it creates a more immersive and emotional connection with the audience. A POV video usually starts by setting up a situation, like, POV, you just found out your best friend kept a secret from you, or, POV, you're the new student and everyone is staring. In these videos, the creator acts, reacts, or speaks directly to the camera as if the viewer is a character in the moment. This storytelling approach makes TikTok feel more interactive and cinematic. You're not simply watching someone else's experience. The creator is talking to you, and you become part of the scene. Creators use POV-style videos for all kinds of content. Some are funny and relatable, showing everyday moments like being called out in class or getting caught doing something embarrassing. Others are emotional, dramatic, or romantic, setting up scenes that feel like mini-movies. You'll also see a lot of comedy skits, fan edits, and fictional storylines using the POV format. Because it's so flexible, POV can work with any genre: humor, horror, fantasy, nostalgia, or pure storytelling. One big reason POV videos are so popular is because they trigger emotion quickly. Whether it's surprise, laughter, or a little drama, POV content pulls viewers in right away. The format also encourages creativity. Some creators use clever transitions, lighting, or makeup to transform themselves and make the scenario feel real. Others rely on simple expressions and storytelling to build a connection. Many viewers love commenting on POV videos because they feel invited to play along, respond, or interpret the situation in their own way. POV is also a powerful tool for creators who want to grow their accounts. Because these videos are relatable and interactive, they often get more watch time, comments, and shares, all of which help boost visibility on the For You page. If you're starting out as a creator, experimenting with POV content is a great way to build engagement and express your creativity without needing fancy equipment or long scripts. All you need is an idea and a camera. So in simple terms, POV on TikTok means the video is meant to be viewed from your perspective. It's a storytelling technique that puts you directly into a scene, making the content more emotional, entertaining, and immersive. That's why it has become one of the most defining and creative formats on the platform. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more TikTok explanations and social media tips.